Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So, friends, let's start the video. Electric Griddler. The electric ceramic titanium griddle offers a durable and efficient cooking surface for all your meal needs. Its ceramic titanium coating ensures even heat distribution and a non-stick surface for easy cooking and cleanup. The large, flat surface is perfect for pancakes, eggs, bacon, and more, ideal for family breakfasts or gatherings. Adjustable temperature controls allow precise cooking for various dishes. The removable drip tray collects excess grease, promoting healthier cooking. Stylish and easy to maintain, this griddle is a versatile addition to any kitchen. Drink maker. The drink maker and margarita machine is perfect for crafting refreshing beverages at home. With powerful blending capabilities, it creates smooth margaritas, slushies, and cocktails in minutes. The large pitcher ensures ample servings, ideal for parties or gatherings. Adjustable settings let you customize the texture and consistency of your drinks. Its sleek design and easy-to-clean components add convenience and style to any kitchen. Elevate your entertaining with this versatile and fun drink-making machine. Deep fryer pot. The deep fryer pot is a compact and efficient tool for frying your favorite foods at home. Made from durable stainless steel, it ensures even heat distribution for perfectly crispy results. The built-in thermometer helps maintain precise temperatures, ideal for frying chicken, tempura, or fries. Its lid reduces oil splatter, keeping your kitchen clean and safe. Designed with a pour spout, it allows for easy oil disposal and storage. Compact and versatile, it's perfect for small kitchens or occasional frying needs. Dash Mini Waffle Maker. The Dash Mini Waffle Maker is a compact and versatile appliance perfect for quick and easy treats. Its 4-inch non-stick cooking surface creates perfectly sized waffles, hash browns, paninis, and more in minutes. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or on-the-go use. The dual non-stick surfaces ensure even cooking and effortless food release, making cleanup a breeze. With its simple plug-and-play design, it heats up quickly for hassle-free operation. The sleek and stylish design comes in various colors to match any kitchen decor. Its small size allows for easy storage in tight spaces. Cool touch handles and non-slip feet add safety during use. Great for breakfast or creative snacks, it's perfect for individuals or families. Enjoy convenience and fun with the Dash Mini Waffle Maker. Dash Mini Rice Cooker Steamer. The Dash Mini Rice Cooker Steamer is a compact yet versatile kitchen appliance designed to simplify meal preparation for individuals or small families. With a capacity of 2 cups, this rice cooker is perfect for cooking just the right amount of rice, grains, or even soups and stews without overwhelming your kitchen space. Measuring 6.5 inches in diameter and 8.5 inches in width, its small footprint allows it to fit easily on countertops, making it an excellent choice for dorms, apartments, or anywhere space is limited. Powered by a 200-watt electric source, this rice cooker is both efficient and user-friendly. It features a manual operation that eliminates the complexities often associated with digital interfaces, making it accessible for all users. The included components, a rice paddle, measuring cup, removable pot, and a recipe guide further enhance its functionality, enabling you to explore a variety of cooking options beyond just rice. Elite Griddler. The Cuisinart GR300 WSP1 Elite Griddler is a versatile 6-in-1 appliance for all your cooking needs. Its reversible non-stick plates allow grilling, griddling, panini pressing, and more with ease. Adjustable temperature controls and sear function ensure precise cooking results every time. The sleek stainless steel design is durable and complements any kitchen. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, it's your all-in-one solution for flavorful meals. Cuisinart Food Processor. The Cuisinart Food Processor is a versatile kitchen essential designed to simplify meal prep and enhance your cooking experience. Equipped with a powerful motor, it handles everything from chopping and slicing to shredding and pureeing with ease. Its large-capacity work bowl accommodates a variety of recipes, perfect for family meals or entertaining. The stainless steel blades deliver precision and durability, ensuring consistent results every time. Intuitive controls make operations simple, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef. The sleek design complements any kitchen, while dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup effortless. With multiple attachments included, it offers endless culinary possibilities. Compact yet powerful, this food processor is built to last. Elevate your cooking with the efficiency and reliability of Cuisinart. Cotton Candy Machine. The nostalgic cotton candy machine is a delightful addition to any kitchen, combining classic fun with modern convenience. Measuring 10 into 12.5 into 11.5 inches and weighing only 3.5 pounds, this compact machine is designed with user-friendliness in mind, making it an ideal choice for both kids and adults. One of the standout features of this cotton candy maker is its retro design, which not only captures the charm of old-fashioned carnivals, but also brings a nostalgic vibe to home gatherings. It has garnered a favorable rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars across over 4,300 reviews, showcasing its popularity among users. The machine holds a notable position as the #1 cotton candy maker in the market, which speaks to its effectiveness and reliability. The setup of the nostalgia cotton candy machine is incredibly straightforward, as it does not require any assembly. This means you can start making cotton candy right out of the box. The included components, such as 2 reusable cones and a sugar scoop, ensure that you have everything needed to begin your sugary creations. Cosori Electric Kettle. The Cosori Electric Kettle offers a safe and stylish way to boil water with its no plastic contact design. Made from high-quality borosilicate glass and stainless steel, it ensures pure, chemical-free water every time. The kettle's 1.7-liter capacity is perfect for making tea, coffee, or instant meals for the whole family. Its quick boil technology heats water in minutes, saving time on busy days. The blue LED indicator provides a modern touch while letting you know when the kettle is in use. A wide-opening lid makes cleaning and refilling hassle-free. The automatic shutoff and boil-dry protection ensure safety during operation. Its cordless design and 360-degree swivel base offer convenience for pouring and storage. With a sleek, modern look, it complements any kitchen decor. Upgrade your daily routine with the efficient and eco-friendly Cosori Electric Kettle. Coffee Mug Warmer. The Cosori Coffee Mug Warmer mug set is the ultimate solution for keeping your beverages at the perfect temperature. Featuring an advanced heating plate, it ensures your coffee, tea, or cocoa stays warm for hours. The included stainless steel mug, with a cool touch handle and spill-resistant lid, enhances your drinking experience. Precise temperature controls allow you to customize your warmth preference, from mild to hot. Designed with a sleek, compact profile, it fits seamlessly on any desk or countertop. The LED display adds a modern touch while offering easy operation. Automatic shutoff ensures safety and energy efficiency. Perfect for home, office, or gifting, it combines functionality with style. Enjoy every sip at your own pace with this innovative warmer set.